everyone, I'm Miss Megan and I work for CPDA. I'm a NET teacher and today we will be talking about our second land transportation, which is a tram. Last week we did bus and this week is tram. Let's go! Hello everybody, I'm at the tram stop. So, trams ride along the tracks. They also use electricity to move. When you want to catch a tram, you have to wait at the tram stop. Now we are on the tram. You can either find a seat to sit on or you can stand and hold the railing. This tram is made of wood. This tram also has 2 stories. You can either be upstairs or stay downstairs. When you want to get off the tram, you make your way to the front exit, and once the tram stops at the tram stop, you get off the tram, and you also use your octopus card to pay for your trip.
Welcome back to the classroom, everyone. So today we are going to be going over tram vocabulary. Let's start. Tram, tram. Rail, rail. Tram driver, tram driver. Window, window. Railing, railing. Seats, seats. Tram stop, tram stop. Thanks for watching, everyone. Today we learned all about how to catch a tram. We learned where to catch a tram, how to get on a tram, how to pay for our journey, and also where to sit on a tram. Thank you so much for joining us. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you next week when we go over ferries. Bye! See you!